Friends, if you are asked about any creature, then you will get the names and pictures of many such animals as you must have seen them at some point or the other, but if you are asked whether you have seen such animals which are invisible. So after hearing this you will definitely be shocked and you will be forced to think whether such an animal even exists. So, in today's video we will tell you about such animals and we will also tell you where such animals are found and how to survive. Then definitely stay tuned till the end of this video because today we will take you to a world where many such animals are found which do exist, but the numbers are not visible. Which leaves pin set. Friends, look carefully at this clip. You might be wondering how it is possible that a leaf can ever dance. What if we tell you that neither is it a leaf, nor is it dancing, rather it is a leaf-like creature, which we know as living in a set. Actually, this creature is the favorite food of many animals and birds living in the forest, hence the lifting set does not have to resort to such maneuvers to save its life. These features come into play as soon as you feel your life is in danger, so that no one can see. Now talking about their food and drink, they survive only by harvesting the fruits coming from the trees. And if we talk about their habitat, they spend their entire life on trees. Number 111 systems which all now, just watch this clip and you must be shocked after seeing it. Is there any such tree with eyes? Well, this is not a tree with eyes, but there is a branch sitting on this tree, which has the name is rice for us pistons. And its specialty is when it sits on a dry tree. So it hides itself in the tree to such an extent that only its eyes are visible from a distance. And if he closes his eyes, it completely blends into the tree. In this situation it becomes very difficult for anyone to tell that it is just a tree. There is someone else sitting on the tree. Now let's talk about its habitat. A dry tree is its favorite habitat because it hides itself easily in a dry tree. Number fixed, dab of paint, death. Now watch this clip. Seeing this you might be thinking that it is a piece of wood, then you are going to make a mistake because this is not an ordinary piece of wood. Rather, it is 173 called difficult death, and this is the reason why it is one of the most invisible creatures in the world, that no human being can notice it quickly. The best deaths are mostly found in forests and gardens only, and these are mostly visible in the months of June-July. Now let's talk about their survival. The best animals mostly like to hide inside the trees. Number 1 is the big B seahorse. Friends, generally there are all the small creatures in the sea. Their survival is very difficult. The biggest reason for this is that any big sea animal can easily make them its prey. Pregnant horse is also a very small sea creature, which means up to about 2 centimeters, but the biggest specialty of the earth seahorse is that it is adept at changing its color as per the need. Leave aside any human being, no other animal can easily see Bima. Pygmy seahorse is generally found in Japan, Indonesia, and note in Australia. This creature, which appears to be the size of a city, is known by the name police of flames. It is a marine feature that is most adept at hiding itself. Whenever they come out of the eggs, their body becomes completely transparent, due to which other marine animals cannot see them easily, and in such a situation, they easily save themselves from the deadly attacks of other marine animals. After leaving the licensor, they remain invisible for 3 months, and then when they realize this, now that it can protect itself, it comes back to its true form. This flower of changing your body as per your wish is found in its serpent form. By using it well, these creatures survive for a long time. Number 7, that leaf water slide. Friends, you go for a walk in a park, so you must be seeing many types of colorful butterflies shrinking around you, but after watching this clip, if someone asks you what is this, so your only answer would be that it is a leaf, but it is not so at all because it is not a leaf, but a butterfly whose name is Polly's butterfly, which generally looks like a dry leaf. But this butterfly is very colorful from inside. It is a very difficult task to find them in the forests. That leaves butterfly is generally found in Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand and Vietnam. Number 6 great relief from this is that it is one such species, which generally likes to live on trees. Grade 3 form is very expert in changing the color of its body. As soon as it feels danger to its life or changes its color to become like the color of a woman so that no one can see it. Generally found in America and South Canada at this time. Their color is white, gray and brown and their size is about 2 inches. Number 5 Anti-from. Now let us talk about anti-frock, but before that take a look at the implants. It is known as anti-plant. And this plant is found in watery places. Anti-from got this name because of this plant, because a creature hides itself easily in this type of plant. If you ever come face to face with anti-shauk. So believe me, it will be very difficult for you to know whether it is a fruit or a piece of some plant. Let us tell you that there is a person named anti-frock who has hidden himself so well among anti-plants and many other types of wild plants. Takes is that it becomes very difficult for a human being to differentiate between a frock and a plant. The size of the anti-frock is about 5 to 6 centimeters and it is mostly found in Vietnam. Number 4 Print mistake. Friends, there are many such plants left on this earth, whose body color is like the leaves and branches of trees. Pink windtech is also one such creature and its specialty is that it can become invisible at any place. Along with this, it has another specialty. That when it feels a threat to its life, it starts doing something like this. Even if it is dead, it stops its movement, it burrows and lies silently on the side of a dead creature. Prince windstake. Mostly the number 3 list of oil wells is found in South China, Australia and Madagascar. Now just look at this updater. He has the amazing skill of protecting himself from anyone's eyes. It sits on a tree in such a way that even the biggest support gets deceived in recognizing it. It becomes difficult for people to decide whether it is a dry leaf hanging on the tree or a creature sitting on the tree. This strange-looking lizard is found in Ireland, and not only this lizard also has the ability to change the color of its body according to the environment. Now let's talk about its food. It survives only by eating small insects. Number churu of Paya. Now look at the questions also. Its name is Upaya, due to which it has the title of very dangerous creature among marine animals and is one such species of quadrupedal octopus, which is different from the rest in the whole world. Now you might be wondering how octopus can become invisible. Then you will be surprised to know that this creature also has the amazing ability to change its color according to the environment, which it achieves by dancing. Although it is dark brown in color, as soon as it senses any kind of danger on itself, it changes its color according to the place where it is present. Friends, we install number valves in many ways on this earth. Key birds are found. But this word called vitamin is quite different from the rest of the board, unique and very beautiful. Their color is pure white, due to which it is very difficult to see this board in rainy weather. The color of its body is so white. After sitting in the snow, it is not visible at all and becomes completely invisible. Vitamin A is found especially in Alaska and North America. Its size is about 1 foot. And its weight is a little more than half a kilogram. So friends, that's all in today's video. If you have ever encountered such invisible animals in your life, then do tell us. If you liked today's video, then like it so that we can create more similar animals for you. We can also bring interesting videos, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then do it immediately, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that the information about our latest videos can reach you immediately.